Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making bath salts. We are going to begin with 2 cups of Epsom salt. I'm using a 1/4 cup here, so 8 1/4 cups. Next we are adding in 1.5 cups of Dead Sea salt. Let's give that a little mix. Now we are adding 1 cup of pink Himalayan salt. This is actually just really nice, just blending together like this, and if you add some dried flowers to it, it's really nice. I wanted a pink bath salt, so here I'm just adding in some fragrance. I think the fragrance oil used was baby powder. Now I wanted my bath salts pink, so I'm just adding in some pink dye. Just a little bit more. I want my pink a little bit deeper. I'm just adding these to a plastic bag. These are so simple to make. And obviously if you want more bath salts, you just double the recipe. You can actually make multiple colours of these bath salts. Just separate the mixture, add your dye, and then change your bowl, wash your bowl, add your other mixtures, add other colour dyes, and you could have different colours. Also different scents. Just adding some string to this bag. I'm going to add a couple of gift tags to it. I'm just going to tie this in a bow. Cut off the excess string. And this is how it looks. This is so easy to make. Let me know if you give it a try.